Hello, all my little friends.
Hello!
Hello, Lucio. Aha! Gotcha! That Lucio, he's always joking. But today's subject is very important. And we should pay special attention. Do you know what the first thing that you have to do when you get in the car is? Put on our seatbelt.
Put on our seatbelts.
Yes, very good. And now I'm going to draw one, although it is something that you know already. The seatbelt crosses over your chest and should be pressed into its fastener until you hear a click. Never just put it on any way that you want, okay? You always have to hear the click, as only then it is well fastened. Isn't that right, Lucio? That is how you should do it. And remind those who travel with you too. In the car, everyone should wear their seatbelts well fastened. In case of an accident or sudden braking, it will prevent serious knocks and bumps, like the one Victor had. Let's take a look. Victor's father thought that nothing would ever happen to him, and he never wore his seatbelt. Victor, as always, was playing. And although he was wearing his seatbelt, it wasn't fastened properly, as his father had never worried about showing him how he should do it. They had both had a short journey, and everything had gone well. But when they entered the city... Careful! The old lady! Poor lady. What a fright. And them. What a bang. Because Victor had his seatbelt on badly, he ended up face down and with several bumps. And his father had even more, but he could have gone through the windscreen and, well, that could have been terrible. That's right, Lucio. It could have been a lot worse. And it's better not to see it. So never forget, when you go in the car, always wear
Your seatbelt.
Because you never know when something unexpected is going to happen. Like what happened to Carla's mother. She always wore her seatbelt, and she also always made sure that Carla wore hers properly too. She always made sure that it went click. Careful! The bus! Do you see? It is always possible that something dangerous might happen, but the seatbelt prevented them from being harmed. That is why it is so important to wear your seatbelt well fastened, like Carla and her mother, who, by the way, deserve. Green light, Lucio! Well, that's all for today, my little friends. And remember to avoid a nasty bump.
Make it click with your seatbelt.
With your seatbelt. Goodbye now.
Goodbye.